maybe 2 weeks ago, we really were under the impression that we were going to be able to do a big grand ribbon cutting this evening, inviting a lot of members of the community. But in some ways, this is so much better, isn't it? This is a smaller, more intimate group. It's directly with our students, and it's the first time that we are able to do something like this at OPRF since 1966. 56 years since we've had significant change in the physical structure of this school. And today marks the first day that we're going to have a lot of students walking through these doors and enjoying this space, which is designed specifically for students to feel comfortable, welcome, and ready to learn in this type of space. So with that said, I'm going to turn it over to our principal, Parker, before we then turn it over to Zen to do the ribbon cutting.
And again, as Superintendent Johnson has said, it's really exciting to be able to welcome students into this space. We've been preparing very hard to make sure that everything was ready for today, which is the grand opening for them. And so we're looking forward to this learning space being optimized by all of our students each and every day for as long as they walk these halls and those to come. So we are excited, and I'm turning it over to Zen to let us in.
All right, let's have at it.
1, 2, 3. Woo!